Welcome to my channel. I'm Phrugal Phoodie, and I thought I'd take a moment to actually introduce myself and officially welcome you to my channel. I am a full-time mom, and I also work full-time, so I created this channel to have a platform to share ideas and recipes and tips on storage that I thought would be helpful to other budget and time conscious people such as myself. This channel is mostly going to focus on staples that a lot of us already have in our kitchen, and really some like food integrity thoughts that I have, things that I think are just kind of neat. I also want to share some tips on getting the most mileage out of your food, because I think we can buy some things that might cost a little bit more, but they go the distance. So that's what my channel is all about, fun food tips for people that don't have a lot of time, just like me. You guys stay safe out there and be on the lookout for the next video. All right, see you soon.
Okay.
What?